So here is a small scissors in my hand, and to this scissors that I'm going to do something. Just you have to keep watching my video. And now here is the another thing, that which is a small box, and inside of the small box there is something that I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna show you this. Just only you have to keep watching this video. Okay, now let me open this box please. And I ordered this from Flipkart. Now let's see that what kind of thing is this. Is it good or bad? Just let me check this. Let me open this. Okay, now I have to cut this box from the side, from a corner, that I have to cut this. Then maybe I will be able to open this box, because the packaging of this box is too good. It's too good. It